Polity Class 01. Vishal Gupta, 12th March 2023. Polity Syllabus, Need of Constitution, Historical Underpinnings. Introduction to the Polity Syllabus. 1. Indian Constitution. A. Historical Underpinnings. B. Evolution of our Constitution. C. Important features of our Constitution, amendments, significant provisions, and doctrine of basic structure. 2. Functions and responsibilities of union and state governments. 3. Problems in the federal structure. 4. Separation of powers between various organs of the state. 5. Local self-governments. 6. Constitutional bodies. 7. Statutory bodies. Sources for the polity. Indian Polity by Laxmikanth. VisionIAS study material. Class notes. Newspaper. Need of Constitution. The natural tendency of any society is to move towards entropy, i.e. towards destruction, anarchy, or lawlessness. Human beings are always guided by self-interest. There is every possibility that this self-interest can easily transform itself into a selfish interest. It can lead to exploitation, manipulation, and so on. To prevent societies from entropy, and also to prevent exploitation and manipulation, a constitution is necessary. It can protect the rights and freedoms of citizens, prevent exploitation, and make governments accountable to people for their performance. It can ultimately ensure strict implementation of rule of law. The survival of any civilization depends on the ability of its administrative systems to protect and promote the welfare of its citizens. It is possible only with a written constitution. Historical underpinnings. Regulating acts were introduced to exert the control of the British Parliament over the East India Company. Under Mole Minto reforms, introduced in 1909, communal electorates were introduced. Under the Government of India Act of 1919, transferred and reserved subjects were introduced. Simon Commission's recommendation led to round-table conferences. Outcomes of round-table conferences led to the introduction of the Government of India Act of 1935. It introduced these: A. Parliamentary form of democracy. B. Federal form of government. C. Bicameral legislature. D. Independent judiciary. E. Division of power. Tags.